Molly. You look a bit lost. What's wrong?
Hi, Ollie. Yes, I'm looking for the library. I don't remember where it is.
Oh, the library? It's easy. Go straight down the street.
Okay, and then?
Then, when you see the supermarket, turn left.
Turn left at the supermarket. Got it. Is it far?
Not really. After that, go past the park and you'll see the library on your right.
Thanks. And do you know where the cinema is?
Yes, from the library, cross the road at the pedestrian crossing and go straight.
Okay, cross the road and go straight.
Yes, then, when you reach the traffic lights, turn right. The cinema is next to the bookshop.
Great! I really want to watch a movie today.
Oh, me too. Maybe we can go together.
Good idea. But first, I need to find the pharmacy. My mom asked me to buy something.
No problem. The pharmacy is easy to find. From the cinema, go back to the square.
The square where the fountain is?
Yes, at the square, you'll see the restaurant on the corner. The pharmacy is next to the restaurant.
Perfect. And what about the bus stop? I need to take the bus home later.
The bus stop is near the pharmacy. Just walk past the restaurant and you'll see the bus stop on your left.
Thanks, Ollie. You know all the places in town.
Haha, I walk a lot with my dad, so I remember everything.
Can you tell me where the train station is too?
Sure, from the bus stop, go straight, and when you see the street lamp, turn left. The train station is in front of the stadium.
Wow, that's easy. Thanks a lot. Ollie, you're the best.
No problem. Molly, do you want me to come with you?
Yes, let's go together.